Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm gonna make bean sprouts, sauteed bean sprouts. Uh, I'm just a user bean sprouts. That's it. So very simple one. It's kind of like a basic saute style. This is just my original method, but you better get this kind of recipe. So easy, and this one is so cheap, so cheap. But total about 70 yen, 2 pack. So I'm always use garlic, like half slice, and hot chili pepper. Uh, just use a shell, so seeds took out already. So just using shell, and 2 slices of garlic, and seasoning. So I don't use soy sauce. It's a shirodashi, white soy sauce. I'm gonna use it, and pepper. So saute have to need oil. So I'm just made. This is negi oil. I made it in homemade negi oil. It's making so easy. I'm gonna tell you how to make it, so you can make it. So easy, but good for the saute for any kind, like a Chinese saute, Chinese food. I'm always using this one. Okay, this is negi oil. Still hot, it's easy to make, right? Okay, let's start cooking. This side. And this is negi oil. Good flavor. Okay, like this. And high flame. High flame. So just waiting 2-3 minutes. I'm just waiting of saute time, start timing. So making good flavor oil. Bean sprouts. Always high flame. Seasoning in this time. Like this. And shirodashi, white soy sauce. See, come out bean sprout juice. So bean sprouts doesn't need long time cook because this juice coming up inside bean sprouts. That's why make so fast. Also, I'm always my favorite kind of like nice texture of moyashi. Okay, try to taste a little bit. Yummy. That's it. Sauteed bean sprouts. Let's try to eat. Like this. Good texture. Moyashi. Bean sprouts. I love bean sprouts. It is a good food item. Good vegetable. Delicious. So I'm gonna make a ramen after, then topping bean sprouts. So this one is my staff meal. Today is a tantanmen. So package ramen I'm just made now, and my original chashu. Maybe someday I'm gonna show you how to make a chashu. So sauteed bean sprouts like this. Like that. Okay, looks nice, right? So this kind of bean sprouts on top ramen are called sanmamen. Sanma. So you can find maybe famous Chinese food street, some restaurant on menu, sanmamen. This one is sanma bean sprouts. So いただきます。A little bit dipped in soup. Delicious. Thank you for watching my channel. See you another time in my kitchen. Thank you.